Alam mo yung feeling na gusto mo lang gawin yung gusto mo sa buhay? Travel, chill, achieve goals, pero may roadblock. Here's the secret. Do what you gotta do so you can do what you wanna do. You gotta do work, grind, sacrifice, discipline. Parang homework sa school or overtime sa trabaho o savings na kailangan mong gawin. Medyo sakit ngayon, pero kapag natapos mo, boom! Makakagawa ka ng gusto mo. Chill, travel, enjoy life, buy the thing you want. Life is a trade-off. Short-term effort for long-term freedom. Yung grit, yung sacrifice ngayon, magbabayad sa future mo. Start today, list down the things you gotta do this week, commit to all small daily actions. Focus sa goal mo, hindi sa comfort ngayon. Kaya tandaan, grind now, shine later. Do what you gotta do so you can do what you wanna do. Comment grind kung game ka, i-achieve ang gusto mo sa buhay. Real Talk with Raf, walang filter. Salamat po.